Hey guys, it is about 10 minutes till 9 o'clock, about 46 degrees outside, so we're going to go check on the greenhouse heaters to see how they're doing, how they're acting. It is, like I said, let's see what it's showing right now. Yes. 46 degrees outside here in Orange Beach. Let's go see how the greenhouse heaters are doing. Taking a look first at my Green Palma heater that I've had for a couple of years, and checking the thermostat in the greenhouse. It is showing it is holding at 60 degrees right now, 46 on the outside of the greenhouse. I have the little sensor probe hanging right over here inside my plumeria. I do have the other heater down on the other end. Let's go take a look and see how it's holding out. Again, this is the Green Palma, and we're going to compare it with the new Vivosun greenhouse heater. Alright, we're on the other end of the greenhouse now. The thermometer there in the middle is showing just below 60 degrees. And this is the Vivosun greenhouse heater that we just have placed in here. Feel lots of heat coming out of it. The thermostat on this one is reading right at 60 degrees also. 59.9 and 60. I did just open the door. So it's holding its own against the Palma BioGreen. So far so good. So at about 9 o'clock, both of the greenhouse heaters are seemingly holding their own, both holding the temperature inside the greenhouse about 15 degrees above the outside temperature. Outside around 46, inside around 60. I'll get up a little later on tonight as the temperatures drop a little more and give another update to see how they're doing. Alright, it's now 7:50 and it's 44 degrees here in Orange Beach. As you can see, the sun's already reaching the greenhouse, so that's going to help heat it up also. But let's go check out and see how the greenhouse thermometers are doing this morning. You can definitely tell a difference in here. Again, the sun's already reaching it, so it's helping heat it up. The thermometer there in the middle is showing 70 degrees. The thermostat is 70.5, and the Vivosun heater has kicked off. It's not running right now. So it's reached its target temperature and cut off. I don't hear the one in the back running. We'll go back and check it too, but it's obviously kicked off now also. So 70 degrees inside the greenhouse, 44 degrees on the outside this morning. Now checking the other end of the greenhouse. Again, like I said, sun reaching it, so that's helping warm it up. This one is reading 68 degrees. And as you can hear, the Green Palma is still running. It's still 2 degrees below its target temperature. The sun's reaching the front of the greenhouse more than the rear right now. But overall, the two greenhouses have kept the greenhouse warm overnight in 40-degree temperature. So night one with the new Vivosun greenhouse heater went pretty well. It kept the temperatures 15 to 20 degrees warmer than the outside. I haven't had extreme cold to really test the Vivosun yet, but overall, so far, so good. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.